Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get a free donation button in PLS. First go to roblox.com. Now press on Create. From here, press on the first option on Public. Now press on Create Badge. Press on Upload Image. Choose a file to upload. We have uploaded this file. Now let's put in a name of the object. Let's type for donation in the description as well. Now press Create Badge. Let's confirm on Create Badge again. As you can see, we have an active for donation badge. Now press on Passes. Press on Create a Pass. Press on Upload Image. Here we have selected a file to upload. Now let's change the name of the file to Donation Button Test. In the description, type for donating. Press on Create Pass. Press on Passes again. As you can see, the donation button test is off sale. Press on it. Now press on the top left of the screen and press on Sales. Check Items for Sale. Submit the price and press Save Changes. And you're done. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a like, share and subscribe to the channel.